Automatic high beams improve the driver's forward vision at night by making it more likely that the high beams will be used when it is safe to do so. To take a look at the operation of this feature, we'll be using a 3 Series sedan. To turn on automatic high beams, simply press the bottom button on the turn signal lever when the low beams are on. A light in the instrument cluster with the letter A will illuminate, as seen here. When the high beams engage, this light will be replaced by a blue indicator lamp in the instrument cluster, as seen here. When active, a sensor on the front side of the interior rearview mirror monitors light from surrounding traffic and switches the high beams on whenever it is safe to do so. The system will automatically switch from high beams to low beams if it senses oncoming traffic at a distance up to approximately 3,000 feet. When following a vehicle, it will switch to low beams when detecting taillights from a distance of approximately 1,200 feet. The high beams will also switch to low beams in well-lit areas. The driver can also intervene at any time and switch the high beams on and off as usual. Be advised that inclement weather, ice, or dirt on the windshield could prevent the sensor from working effectively.